3, 2, 1,
TunePocket.com.
go!
Hello and welcome to my channel Techie IQ. It's created by Nitish Krishna, me, and I'm just a 12-year-old kid. So support me by subscribing to my channel and liking all of my videos. So now, what is this about channel about? It's going to be about totally about technology, and I'll be uploading videos every Monday and Friday or every day. I have exams tomorrow, sorry, next week. So I'll be only uploading videos on Monday and Friday. After that, I'll try to upload video every day. So let's get started. What is this channel about? This channel is completely about technology, as I told you. It's going to be a coding on App Inventor, C++, C++, Xcode, etc. How can I ask doubts? That might be your doubt. Well, you can ask doubts in the comment section below or by joining my Slack community by scanning the QR code, or I'll leave the link in the description box below. For Windows users, you can ask doubt in the comment section. Now let's get started on App Inventor. What is App Inventor? App Inventor is like the coding software like Python and Java, and it has a drag and drop method. That's the only difference, where you drag the bit of code and drop it in an area. What are we going to learn today? Today we'll be making a simple app for beginners of App Inventor. Like it is like you type something in a text box, and when you click a button, it's going to be displayed in a label. So now, what are text boxes and labels? Let's take an example of input device and output device. Input devices are like keyboards, mouse, microphone, and output devices are like monitor, printer, etc. Let's take just a keyboard and a monitor as an example. They both are like partners. When you type something in the keyboard, it's going to be displayed instantly on the monitor. That's the same which a text box and a label does, but the only difference is that you need some action to do that. So that action will be a button. When I click on a button, the text which I entered in text box will be shown in the label. Let's see clearly step by step. Step 1, we have to type something in a text box. Let's say we type Techie IQ, and in step 2, we are going to click a button. Step 3, it's not our job. The computer's job is to display that bit of thing which we displayed in the text box, and it will be Techie IQ because I type Techie IQ. Now let's go to App Inventor. Open up your browser and then search for App Inventor. Let me create an app. Click on the create apps. So start a new project and I'll name it as Hello World 2 because I already did one thing and just leave that one. So you can go to user interface, the menu like layout, media, drawing and animation, maps, sensors, social, storage, connectivity, Lego Mindstorms, experimental, and we can even add extensions. So now let's just go to user interface. And as I told you, we need a text box. So pick up a text box and drop it in the screen. You can rename it in the button over here. Let me click it. And it changes instantly over here. And there's something called hint, if you can see here. It's a hint which will be displayed but will not be a type. I'll tell you clearly when I show the project after we do it. So I type it as, sorry, not username, I type it as and we need a action which is a button. So I pick up a button. You can rename it here, or I don't need it to rename now, so I just change the text. Let me tell click to output, and the last thing which we need to output, the component which we need to output is a label. So go ahead and pick up a label. We don't need to say anything in the label, so just take out the text in that. So this is just the designer part, which is the user interface part. Now let's go to the blocks. You can see blocks over here. Now, as I told you, when action is done, that is when button is going to get clicked. So click on this component and drag when button one dot click and put it here. So when button 1 is clicked, the text in the text box should be displayed in the label. So you have to set the labels text to text box 1. Labels text to text box 1. So go and click the label, and these dark green blocks are set blocks, and these are get blocks. These set something and these get something. So go and pick set label 1 dot text, and it's going to be, you're going to be getting the text in text box 1. So go to the text box and pick up in text box 1 dot text. I named it as input, so input dot text. Now this is just the, that's all is the code for the beginner app, hello world. So let's go ahead and test our app. So you can see option called connect on the top. So click on connect and say AI companion. So go to the Play Store on your phone and download and search for MIT AI2 companion and install that. After you install, open that, and there'll be an option called scan with QR code. As I told you, you need to download it from the App Store and search for MIT AI2 companion and you can get it. So go to MIT AI2 companion and scan this QR code which is on my computer. After you scan it, it's going to be like this, and in the computer you can see a progress bar. After it finishes loading, now you can see I got it in my screen. So I type some word, I say something, MU or something, and then I click to output, and you can see that it's displayed M and MUR. Congratulations on your first App Inventor app. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Like the video, share it to a friend. And so now let's see what have we learned today. First, we learned about App Inventor and its basic, and second, we learned what is a text box and the label, and last but not the least, we made a simple app. So you can check the description box below for the extra exercises and worksheets. In the next class, I will be giving the solution for the worksheet. You can also download the AIA file in the resource. I will teach you about AIA file in the next session. So what will we be learning in the next session? We'll be doing an app where when you press a button, the background color is going to get changed. And we'll also learn about uploading the AIA file. Hey, thank you for watching this video. Like my channel, subscribe my channel, and share it to your friends. And bye bye. See you in the next session. Bye for now.